What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Chase Ink Unlimited credit card, and I'm also going to be comparing how the new design looks to the old design, and just kind of be talking a little bit about this card and the process of obtaining this card. Alright, so let's get right into it. I'm just going to take out this information. Alright, and this is the first letter that you are going to be receiving in that white envelope. Alright, so this is just going to be showing a little bit of your information, your account information, your credit line, and then your information. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I was approved for a $16,000 approval. And if you haven't seen my last video where I talk about how I switched from a sole proprietor to an LLC, definitely check that out, because that's how I was really able to obtain a really high credit limit on my Chase business credit card. I was a sole proprietor before, and if most of you don't know already, I did receive a $3,000 approval and then a $4,000 approval, and this was as a sole proprietor. And then once I switched over to an LLC, that's when I received a $16,000 approval. So that is really awesome. That's a pretty decent credit limit that you can really take advantage of. So I also obtained this Chase Ink business credit card with the sign-up bonus of $900 when you spend $6,000 in the first 3 months. So that was a nice, decent sign-up bonus as well that I will definitely be taking advantage of. And another thing that I want to talk about is I was actually over 524 when I received this credit card. I was actually pre-approved as a sole proprietor for another Chase Ink business credit card, but since I decided to switch over to an LLC, we just applied for it through the LLC, and I received an approval, and I was over 524. So this was definitely a blessing. This was definitely a pretty nice data point as well for you guys. And yeah, let's continue. And this is the Chase Ink Unlimited credit card. It is a beautiful, beautiful credit card. And if we compare it to their old design, this is how it used to look, and this is how it looks now. So I actually prefer the old design just a little bit more. I really like how the blue looks compared to the dark grayish. But I mean, they're both beautiful designs, both beautiful cards. So yeah, this is a really nice card. I love how Chase kind of implements their simplistic designs. So if we look further down, we can see that this is only for business transactions only, strictly for the business. So definitely going to be taking advantage of that. But this is how the card looks. It's a really beautiful card. I'm just going to take it out really quickly. And this is the card, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful card. And then if we compare it to the other one, so I obtained this one as a sole proprietor and this one as an LLC. And as I'm showing you guys these cards, I think I'm going to be using this as the thumbnail. Alright, so if we continue. Alright, and now the next letter that you're going to be receiving in that envelope is your business card agreement rates and fees. So this pretty much just tells you what your interest rate will be. I'm taking advantage of that 0% APR for the first 12 months. And then I received an interest rate of 16.24%. And that's pretty much it. Alright, and now the next letter that you are going to be receiving is just what Chase does with your information. Any questions, how to limit your sharing, reasons we can share your personal information, and what they collect information on, and what they do with your information. Alright, and then you have your business card agreement, which talks a little bit about your account, important definitions, how to use your card, and some options that they have to pay them back, what to avoid, what happens, and about your relationship. Some interest rate charges, and that is pretty much it. This is your card member agreement. So I just wanted to come on here and do a quick little video doing an unboxing for you guys to motivate you guys and just kind of show you how the new design looks compared to the old one. But this card here was just a blessing. It's a flat out 1.5% cashback card. So I'm definitely going to be taking advantage of that. And yeah, I just want to do a quick video doing an unboxing for you guys. Please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.